Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper of the year 1990. So let's start. White elephant. It means something that is expensive to maintain or difficult to dispose of. इससे मुराद ऐसी चीज़ है जिसको बरकरार रखना महंगा है और उसे ज़ाया करना भी मुश्किल हो. Example sentences. The old mansion became a white elephant for the family as they struggled to maintain it and could not find a buyer. Blue blood. It means someone of noble or aristocratic birth, often used to describe people from a prestigious or aristocratic family background. इससे मुराद अशराफिया की पैदाइश का कोई फ़र्द, अक्सर मुअज़्ज़ज़ या बुज़ुर्ग ख़ानदानी पस मंज़र से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले लोगों को बयान करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Example sentences. She comes from a family with blue blood. Her ancestors were nobles who held significant influence in the royal court. Cleans the audience table. It means to clean up a vast accumulation of corruption or filth, to undertake a Herculean task of reform. बदउनवानी या गंदगी के एक वसी ज़ख़ीरा को साफ़ करना या इस्तिलाह का एक मुश्किल काम अंजाम देना. Example sentences. After years of mismanagement, the new CEO vowed to cleanse the audience table of the company's financial practices. Apple of discord. It means a cause of trouble, discord or strife, something that provokes disagreement or conflict. यानी परेशानी, इख्तिलाफ या झगड़े का सबब बनना, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो इख्तिलाफ या तसादुम को उकसाती हो. Example sentences. The disputed territory became the apple of discord between the two neighboring countries, leading to ongoing tensions. In good books. It means being in someone's favor or having their approval. यानी किसी की अच्छी राय में होना या किसी की मंजूरी लेना. Example sentences. After helping his neighbor fix the fence, John was in good books with him. Between the devil and the deep sea. It means caught between two equally difficult or undesirable choices. यानी दो मसावी मुश्किल या नापसंदीदा इंतखाबात में दरमियान फंस जाना. Example sentences. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea when he had to choose between losing his job or working overtime during the weekend. Stare in the face. It means to confront or face a difficult or challenging situation directly. यानी किसी मुश्किल या चैलेंजिंग सूरत हाल का बराह रास्त सामना करना. Example sentences. In the midst of financial hardships, she had to stare the reality in the face and find a way to overcome it. Make off with. It means to steal or take something, especially in a hurried or furtive manner. किसी चीज़ को चोरी करना या लेना, ख़ास तौर पर जल्दबाजी में. Example sentences. He managed to make off with the valuable painting before anyone noticed it was missing. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.